everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be showing you guys my updated skincare routine with Image Skincare. I have their holiday package that they're going to be launching for the holidays that I'm going to show you guys today. I always say that beautiful makeup starts from underneath, so if you guys want to see my updated skincare routine with Image Skincare, then please keep watching. So this is the holiday package with Image Skincare. So this is their Balance and Boost. So I have been using Image Skincare products for probably close to a year now. So whenever I get my facials, that is the products that they use. I try to get facials every few months. It really helps clean out your skin and your pores and leaves your skin completely flawless as it takes the first layer of your skin off. So I'm going to show you these products that they have in their holiday packages. I believe that they have 3 different types of packages, and this is one. So I switch off between using this organic Image Skincare and the hydrating. So I use the hydrating cleanser, which I will link below for you guys, and their serum at night. So I switch off between that and the organic. It's really good to mix them so you're getting both benefits with them. It comes in this adorable packaging, so I love it, with a little tassel here. And I think this would be a great makeup bag. I actually don't have a makeup bag. I got rid of them all because they were all stained and they had makeup on the bottom. So first, I'm going to love using this as a new makeup bag. And it's big enough that you guys can put your makeup brushes in there too. So yeah, they do have 3 different packages. They have the Balance and Boost, which I'm going to be showing you today. They also have the Hydrate and Radiant, and the Balance and Brighten and Age Defying. So they have 4 different types. Yeah, so it's really important to take care of your skin. I've actually never slept with makeup on before, so I know that when you sleep with makeup on, it's not really good, so I actually have never. Okay, so first, this is the Ormetic Facial Cleanser. I love this. This is plant-derived, and it's completely organic. So it lifts away impurities in makeup and helps balance the pH of the skin. So what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of this on my hand, put it all over my face, and then take my Clarisonic brush to get a really deep clean. And it makes my skin very, very flawless. And it actually takes like the little bumps away, because when you exfoliate, it's really good for your skin. It actually takes the first layer off. So I noticed that that's really helped in my skincare routine too. So I always take my makeup off every single night and wash my face every morning, and I switch off between this and the hydrating cleanser. This is for all skin types, so that's super important, and it's gentle enough to use every day and every night. Another favorite product of mine is the Daily Moisturizer. So I actually took this to Vegas with me a few months ago when we went to Vegas, and so I just used this right on my skin underneath my foundation. It helped me not get my face burned. So it's super important, even during the winter, to wear a moisturizer on your skin, because sometimes you still can get sunburned on overcast days or in the winter. So it's super important to always wear moisturizer with SPF in it. And I love this. It's super lightweight and non-greasy. And again, it's good for all skin types, and you apply this after you clean your face. I probably would not use this as an evening night cream because it has SPF in it and you will be wasting it. So I would probably get a night serum. And the night serum I use is the Vital C. And I'm super excited to try this. So this product I've never tried before. So this is from the Ageless line, and it's never too early to start preparing for wrinkles and really hydrating your skin to make sure that you don't get wrinkles. So it's never too early. And it actually has a lot of properties in it that can help with acne too. So I actually like the Ageless line too. This is the Total Hyaluronic Filler. So this is be applied after cleansed skin morning and evening. And you layer it with moisturizer or the serum on top. Helps with hydration and fine lines and wrinkles, and also post-treatment. So if you get a facial or a chemical peel or something, this will really help with hydration for your skin. And so what I like to do is I like to pat this into my skin so it gets really pushed into those pores. It fills in lines without injection, so if you are thinking about getting Botox or any types of fillers in your face, try this first and see if you guys like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos coming up, and be sure to check out Image Skincare for their Black Friday deals.